Welcome everyone, this is the Darkseid figure from the Superpowers collection from the 1980s. It's the gimmick for these guys was it's at they started with Batman, Superman, all those guys, and the gimmick is you squeeze them and they had an action. The Flash, his legs ran. The Green Lantern, the arm shot up and Darkseid, you get that. And I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but I'm going to try. He also had this little slot in the top of his head. Is it gonna? Is it? Yeah. And you could get Omega beams. And hit it, and his eyes sort of light up when you hold him up to the light. But that was his. So that was the gimmick. All those characters. I've got several of them down there somewhere, and they used to have like capes and everything. Let's see how dirty is Darkseid. Got some wear and tear on them, but I don't know how much of it's actual dirt. We'll try and give them a good wipe down anyway. And these are fairly, they're the same scale as the G.I. Joes. I think that the 6 1/4 scale. But they're not, much less articulation. I don't even think he came with any accessories. He might have had a cape or a robe or something. I can't remember. I don't think Darkseid has that. But, the knees do bend. I think that's the arms don't. Because, usually it was the arms that did the motion. I think, let's see, Superman did a punch. I think Wonder Woman did too. I think, most of them was punching. But that was, and this was, I think, I never had the Lex Luthor figure, but he had I think he had like a suit that he wore that they put on him, but he still punched or something. They always gave him some generic motion. I think, was it the Red Tornado did his arm spun, his torso spun around. But, I thought these guys were pretty cool back in the day, and they had a Hall of Justice playset that I never had. But I just want, like I say, that's one I sort of. I don't have many of these, but I got, this was the first one I see, and I was sort of surprised the action still worked. But anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a subscribe because this is going to keep going on for a while, and I appreciate it. See y'all next time. Bye.